Hi, this is Vincent. I just wanted to show you quickly how to use the Emboss with Image tool. Somebody had a question. They wanted to apply a stipple kind of pattern like you can do in the major connector, and they were wondering if you could do that manually, something like it manually. So I'm going to just create some random wax with the clone tool first. Not that you need to do it that way, but you can do it any way you want, of course. But let's just create a wax area. Just wait 1 second. Okay, here we go. All right, so here's the Emboss with Image tool. So these have a few options. You can do text. You do update, and then it updates to the cursor. And you simply just apply that. You can preview it. It gives you a little bit of an offset. You can either raise it or you can lower it into the clay. So let's do a lower, and this is the depth. This is the deepest amount it's going to go into the clay. And just one other trick to show you here. If you hold down Control and right click, it will rotate around where the cursor is. So you can change your rotational orientation that way. And then you just apply it, and it basically removes that from the wax. Now, if to go back to the original question that I got, if you wanted to change the image, you just click. I'm sorry, I wasn't sure that was good. You just click on this bitmap icon here, and if you wanted to grab a stipple pattern, it starts you in the pattern folder, but the actual stipple patterns are, let's see, should be not features. Yeah, that's usually features, stipple patterns. There they are. Okay, so I can take my bagel course, and now it'll round the corners of this thing and apply it that way. You can of course scale it up over here so it'll be a bigger area. And let's say you want to have more control over the region where it's applied. So for that, I would jump over to the mask tool and basically just mask out the region where you don't want it applied. Of course, it's not going to apply to the refractory, it's only the clay. Well, let's say, roughly in this area. And then go back over here to this tool. It actually resets the width, which is a little bit unfortunate, but not that it's a big deal. You apply it like that. You don't really need to preview it. You can just then hit apply. Let's make it 0.2, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, and you could go back in the mask tool, be selected, and now you have it only applied within that area. And then you could use a smooth tool, and you could soften the edges here or something if you wanted to. So I think that basically would answer the question, and I've also shown you how to rotate the text. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.